This is how you can access the obstacle avoidance cameras. In the lower right-hand corner of the screen you have access to the cameras. Touch the center of the image to swap with the primary payload. Touch the up arrow for the front FPV camera. Touch the bottom arrow for the rear color camera. Touch the right arrow for the right color camera. Touch the left arrow for the left color camera. Again touch the up arrow for the front FPV camera. And finally touch the double down arrow for the downward camera.